Today marks the 17th anniversary of the September 11th attacks, and events will be held all across the country, including in our area.
This morning, hundreds are expected to honor the lives lost through acts of service. Michelle Fisher is live at Fenway Park with the details. Michelle?
That's right. Today here at the park, the Red Cross holding its Day of Remembrance blood drive. This is the 16th annual one. They've been holding this event since 2002, and they are expecting a lot of people. Doors just opened about 30 minutes ago, but already this morning there are people on the tables who are donating blood, and we imagine that this area will be filled as the morning goes along. Now, here is what you need to know. If you plan on giving today, this event going on until 10:30 at Fenway Park. Walk-ins are welcome, and donors should come to Gate D on Jersey Street. Workers with the Red Cross say that blood given today will help them tremendously.
The need is constant. Over the summer, we were in a blood emergency where the blood was literally going out faster than it was coming in. Thankfully, that's not the case right now, but again, that need is constant.
Yeah. And here is a look at the T-shirt, which is one of the items you get for free if you come out and donate today, again commemorating 9/11 and the lives lost. You also get a free cup of clam chowder, also a discounted tour of Fenway Park, and the first 100 people will also receive a special commemorative pin. So hopefully we'll see you this morning if you come down to donate. Reporting live at Fenway Park, Michelle Fisher, WBZ This Morning.